what I had talked about early on week one is I actually have a virtual server set up. I'll just show you what it looks like. So I'm actually running SessionSplitter, but this is my VPS. And I put a different background than what my regular Windows is. So I dial into it using remote desktop connection. And on here, I have my SendBuddy, I have Jarvie running, and I have SessionSplitter running. And SessionSplitter is a Windows-based application, so it's sitting on the VPS. VPS is probably, I think, somewhere in Dallas, Fort Worth. So anyway, to start it, you would just click on it. And I've got my profile set up, and the current version, I think, is 1.22. So, make sure you have the current version loaded. And then this is the VPS, that's the IP of the SessionSplitter. But what I'm going to do is I am going to run, let's go into Ann Clark. So this is the proxy that she's running. And to start her window, you just simply start it up, and then you can go into add Twitter, Tumblr, whatever socials you want. And we're going to go into the actual sequence of how we set these things up. So I'm going to close that. And what I do is I just hit stop, and then that closes the window down here. Okay. So that's kind of your basics on SessionSplitter of the mechanics of just starting. You just click start and open a window. Now there is a duplicate button. So once you have your profile set up and everything, and you want to duplicate and put another minion in your minion groups, and I try to keep 2 to 3 in each minion group as I max out that group, then I go into the next group. Now, each group is using the same SIM card and the same IP proxy. And you notice I got about 5 different proxies running, and they're all set up through high proxies.